Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am Cheryl, also known as SIGCruiser, and today is my Vlogtober day 9. So it is the weekend and I am comfortable here in my loungewear. This is my onesie. I am going to answer the question which is kind of closely related to yesterday's. Yesterday was about will I be bored on the ship? So the question is, will I be alone on the ship? And the answer to that is not unless you want to be. Well, that's the end of the show. See you tomorrow. No, I'll add on a little bit more to that. What I usually tell people is that cruisers are the friendliest people in the world. I mean, you cannot walk on the street and find people as friendly as cruisers. On ships, you can walk up and everybody says hi, everybody smiles. You can approach people on a cruise, you can say hello, they're going to speak back to you. You may not get that on the street, no matter what city you live in. People are happy, they're open, they're excited to be on the ship, they're excited to be on vacation. So they are willing to talk to anybody, and then you're there with them, so they are excited to talk to you. They are excited to drink with you. They are excited about having fun. And most people are open to conversation. But still, I know I got my introverts out there. I'm going to help you too with a word. Now, I believe it or not, I am still an introvert, but I am becoming, I would say, more open the more that I cruise solo and the more that I see how people are, the more that I interact with people. Doing all of those things, it kind of pulls you out of that introversion a little bit, but not so much if you don't want to lose yourself, because you still like that downtime on your own. You could still have that and still be open to more people for conversation. So where do you start? Well, by now, I think a lot of people, I think it's pretty much well known to join your Facebook cruise group for your sailing. But after that, what do you do once you join? No, you don't want to just sit there and watch posts. You want to be active. You want to participate. Look at the events. Do they have any events posted? And this is especially going to be closer to the sailing date. So a lot of the times the organizer or someone else in the group will create events for your group to do, to participate in. They may create a meet and greet event, which I tend to sign up for and hardly ever make, but it's there. They also may do like a bar crawl or a cabin crawl or a shot glass exchange. So look for these different activities in the group and say, hey, you want to participate, especially the meet and greet on the first day. If that's what you want to do, is to meet other people. Now, also take advantage of the Facebook group to find other solo cruisers. Again, this is closer to the time of your sailing. If someone hasn't posted already, just post a question. Hey, are there any solos on this cruise? Or, hey, I'm solo. Are there any other solos on this cruise? A lot of times there are. I think I've been on one cruise where I posted that in the group, and I can't say that I was the only solo, but in that group, no one seemed to be going solo, but that only happened one time. So if other solo cruisers post, then you have the opportunity, and really with anyone else in the group as well, you can ask questions about excursions. See what everybody else is doing. See what the other solo cruisers are doing for excursions. And like I said, participate, ask questions, answer questions, join in on the chatter. Join in on the countdown. The group creates an excitement around counting down the days to your cruise, so join in with them. And the more you chat, the more you post, there may be others who want to connect with you, if that's what you're looking for. And you may want to buddy up or tag along with a group. So that's the perfect opportunity well ahead of your cruise to find out and to begin meeting people. And then once you're on the ship, then it feels like you kind of know each other a little bit, even though that's the first time that you're meeting together in person. So that is my tip for Vlogtober day 9 for answering the question, will I be alone on the ship? Not unless you want to be. All right, again, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like my video and share amongst your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe if you're interested in this content. I have more tips to come for the rest of the month. So until tomorrow, bye-bye.